Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a service-based website on Shopify. So creating a service-based website on Shopify is a great way to showcase and sell your service online. So I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to get started. So watch to the very end. So the first thing you have to do is to sign up for Shopify. So you don't already have an account, you just have to simply sign up on the Shopify website to create an account. And after that, you have to select a theme that suits your service-based business. Then Shopify offer a variety of free and paid themes that you can customize to fit your brand. And after that, use the Shopify themes editor to customize your website appearance. You can add your logo, your switching color, and adjust the layout to match your brand. After that, instead of products, you will be adding services. So go to the product section and add each service as a product, then include details, description, pricing, and other relevant image. And once that is done, connect your payment gateway such as PayPal, Stripe, or can use Cash App if you want. Then accept payment from each customers rather. Then after that, you have to create a page. So add an essential page like about us, contact, and FAQ to provide more information about your business and services. Then once that is done, if the service requires appointment, you can integrate a booking system like Book that app or Sehemi to manage your appointment directly from your Shopify store. You can also ensure your website is optimized for search engines by using relevant keyword search like meta tag and alt text for image. And after that, once all of that is being achieved, once you're happy with your website, publish it and start promoting your website. And that's a simple way or a simple step to create a service-based website on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button, follow for more content like this.